G'day, Matt Cavill here. We got Chris's Monaro here behind us. We're going to do some mods today and see what she makes. But first up, we'll do a bass run. 189.5 kilowatts, pretty standard for a stock LS1. So we're pulling the standard paper air filter out, and I'm going to put in a K&N high flow and then do another run, see how much power it adds or if it doesn't add. $195.4, so around 6 kilowatt gain at the rear wheels. Alright, now I've just stuck a couple of extra holes in the airbox on the cold side of the airbox right near the headlight so I can get some more air in there, and it's not on this side where the exhaust is. There you have it, best of 224 kilowatts.